Winter may seem like a time to take a break from gardening, but for the dedicated gardener, it's an opportunity. Whether you're preparing for spring, growing hardy crops, or maintaining your tools, there's always something to do. In this video, we'll explore expert tips and strategies for winter gardening success. Winter gardening starts with the right crops. Many cold-hardy vegetables thrive in frosty conditions. Experts recommend leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. Root vegetables such as carrots, parsnips, and beets. Brassicas, including broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Use cold frames or row covers to give your plants a little extra protection. These tools trap heat and keep frost at bay, ensuring your veggies grow strong. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, even in winter. Experts suggest adding a layer of organic mulch, like straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips, to insulate the soil and prevent erosion. Planting cover crops, such as rye or clover, to protect bare soil and improve fertility come spring. Avoiding heavy tilling to reduce soil compaction during wet, cold months. Composting doesn't stop in winter. To keep your compost active, chop kitchen scraps into smaller pieces to speed up decomposition. Add plenty of browns, like dried leaves, cardboard, or shredded paper, to balance out moisture-rich greens. Insulate your compost bin with straw bales or wrap it in a tarp to maintain internal heat. Even if the process slows, your pile will reward you with rich compost by spring. Winter is the perfect time for pruning and maintenance. Experts advise pruning dormant trees and shrubs to promote healthy growth in spring. Removing dead or damaged branches to reduce disease risk. Cleaning and sharpening your garden tools. This prevents rust and ensures they're ready for the growing season. If outdoor gardening isn't an option, bring it indoors or use a greenhouse. Some ideas include growing herbs like basil, cilantro, and thyme on a sunny windowsill, using grow lights for plants that need more sunlight, starting seeds indoors for a head start on spring planting. A greenhouse can extend your growing season, allowing you to harvest fresh produce all winter long. Having the right tools makes winter gardening easier. Here's what experts recommend: keeping on hand frost blankets or row covers for protecting plants. High quality gloves to keep your hands warm and protected. A soil thermometer to monitor planting conditions. Mulching tools for spreading organic materials. Seed starting trays and grow lights for indoor gardening. Winter is also the ideal time for planting. Take advantage of the slower pace too. Order seeds and supplies early to avoid spring shortages. Map out your garden layout for crop rotation and companion planting. Reflect on last year's successes and challenges to make improvements. Winter gardening isn't just about keeping busy. It's about laying the groundwork for a bountiful growing season. With a little effort, you can enjoy fresh produce, maintain your garden, and set yourself up for spring success. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening. Like and subscribe for more gardening tips.